Everyone, welcome back. It's been a while. Yeah, in today's video we will be doing this fruity yummy pine mango mocktail. Yeah, this is super yummy, and let's dive in this video I will be using a couple of ingredients to make this yummy, healthy, fruity pine mango mocktail. And this, you can actually use it for your party. Let's get it started. So I will be using frozen chunks of organic mango, and I have about 500 grams of pineapple, and I will be using this pure organic pineapple juice to blend this mocktail. Yeah, and the ratio of the ingredients I will be using is actually ratio 1:1, meaning I will be using the same ratio of the mango to the same ratio of the pineapple. So what I have here is about 500 grams of the mango, and what I have here is about 500 grams of the pineapple, and I will be blending this using this 100% organic pineapple juice. So the first thing I did was to pour the mango because I want this to blend quickly and easily. Then I pour in the pineapple into the blender. Yeah. So again, I will be blending this with this about 40 ounces of pineapple juice. And the reason why I'm using pineapple juice and not water is because water and pineapple don't go together. Yeah, you heard me right. If you use water to blend your pineapple, it's going to taste bitter. Yeah, so you don't want to do that. So I decided to go for organic, natural, 100% pineapple juice to blend this fruity pineapple mango mocktail. Yeah, so I added everything into the blender and I blend this, and the result was actually super yummy. Boom. And this is what we have, and this is done. You can actually do this for your party, and here you're getting your healthy, organic, yummy mocktail. And this pineapple mango mocktail is done. Will you try this out? Let me know what you think. And you can actually take this on a very hot day. This is summer period, and chill out with your family. And this is healthy, nutritious, and it has a whole lot of vitamins that your body needs. Until next time, when I come your way, it's still your girl, Cecelia. Let me know in the comment section if you're gonna try this. I love you all. Bye for now. Thank you.